Okay guys, I'm going to give you a little video demonstration of our new Defender differential. As you can see, we got a billet half case. The motor is now bolted directly to the differential. They're eliminating the cable. On the inside of the cab, you've got two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, open differential, and the ability to now fully lock it. When that light comes on, you are ready to achieve full lock. Turn that off and you're back into open differential four-wheel drive. And if you choose to do so, back to two-wheel drive. Simple two-wire hookup. Red positive, black ground. And our wiring harness plugs right into the motor. No cable adjustments to make, no pre-adjustments, just simply bolt it on and plug it up.